All right, y'all. Something a little different for me. Well, not really. Something new to me, definitely. Gonna do some wings. I'm gonna be using my Pit Boss Austin XL. She's been neglected. Kind of miss her. We're gonna fire her up. We had these guys marinating for about it's about an hour and 15 minutes, in Frank's Red Hot. But now we're gonna season them. What we're using today, Pit Boss's own maple chipotle rub. This stuff smells amazing. It smells so good that Tiff almost changed her mind and was about to put it on her shrimp. But that's you'll see what's going on that in a minute. You know what? Let me do it this way. Sprinkles are cute, but we don't want the sprinkles. So we're just gonna go in. Now, like I said, I never used this rub before, so this could be a mistake. But when I say a mistake, it might be a little bit too much heat. Probably not. So what we're gonna do, just gonna mix it up. Try to get everything coated. And then what we're gonna do is hit some more. Hit it one more again, yo. One more again. I never had a bad seasoning from Pit Boss, so here we go. Take that for what it's worth. Get these guys ready. Now I'm gonna let them sit. My Austin XL is coming up to temp. I'm gonna run them at 350 degrees. And then we may crank it up. We'll see how the skin feels and all that. So we'll bring you back soon, all right? Here we are. We're out here at the Austin. We got the wings. See how their color changed already. That's what we're talking about. So I got this thing preheated. It's actually at 360 right now. Got dialed in at 350. Just gonna take some spray. Hit these racks. Log on just because. Just gonna grab these guys. Usually I would just dump them out, but there's a lot of hot sauce in there too, so we'll be all right. Guys down. Smell that hot sauce already. Could be that maple chipotle rub too. Hope you guys can hear me good. We got contractors next door doing some work. I was trying to wait for them to leave, but we gotta eat, baby. All right, that's it. Bowl's empty. Just so I can shut my grill. But that's that. 350. We'll check it out. See how it looks. We crank up the tent. I'll let you know. Alright? On these wings, shall we? We dialed it at 365. Temp is set to 350. See the smoke coming out. Hope you can. Let me see. It's pumping, so it's probably the speed. You all can see this? It's getting some real nice color. And I already know it's probably not coming through. But yes sir, yes sir. Get these all flipped around. Man, this thing smells awesome. And for anybody wondering, I'm also using Pit Boss's maple blend. This is wow. And got a nice little char on them, which everybody should love. Yeah, man. That's it. Sisu? It's been about another 15 minutes or so. Let's take a look. As you guys see, I was moving some furniture inside of there. Got all my drums to the hotter side of the grill. All the flats over here. I'm hoping that color, but this color is freaking amazing. I'm not sure if it's from the Pit Boss pellets or if it's from the Pit Boss rub. Either way, I'm really excited to eat these. See you soon. Grab my ink bird here. Test them out. See what we're looking at. Alright. There's 205 right there. It's a drum. 193. 196. 203. Now, everybody knows me. I usually run around the 190 to 200 range just because they're perfect. You all see that? I hope so. But y'all see these in a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to glove up. I'll just let the camera run in case you guys are curious. So I'll let it run. Put a little liner on. Y'all from the old school niggas saying, no glove, no love, man. We're just gonna get these guys off of here. I already know I'm good as far as the temps go. Nice little crisp to them too, if you guys can hear that. Yeah. You guys can see that, right? Let's grab these drums here. The problem is, I didn't put gloves and liner on my other hand, so this pan is kind of hot. But y'all are used to watching me burn myself anyway. But there you go, guys. Give you guys some stove picks in a second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So part 2 of the Pit Boss cook today. My Austin, I dropped the temperature down from 350 for the wings, which are here. As you guys can see, them things look bumping. But moving on to the second part. This is for my Tiffany. I'm gonna do some shrimp. So I went from, like I said, 350. I dropped the temp down to 250. Give her some smoke on there, and then, you know, depending upon how long they take, we might bump it up a little bit, but usually go pretty slow. So all we're gonna do, some of y'all are gonna be like, damn, yeah, that's a whole stick, man. And all of it is going inside of here. I mean, there's no way to do it, just get it in there, because you're gonna be stirring it up anyway. It's almost like making meat candy, right? Same thing. All right. Now, courtesy of Pit Boss, their Cajun rub. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this today. I hope it's delicious. Y'all that know me know I really don't eat seafood, so. But I'll sample it. I'll sample it for y'all. All right. You want to come over here and see how much you wanted this? Or you just want me to go crazy?
No, don't go crazy.
Hold on.
You're cute with your little smirk.
I know, right? Don't mind me, yo.
Want me to do it?
I'm gonna let Tiff season it. Because this is hers. If I mess up, I don't want to hear it. That's what I'm talking about. Why don't you just tell me I don't have the bottle in there?
Stop it.
That's it?
Yeah.
You want to mix it up or not?
Yeah.
Let me mix it up because you're going to put more on the other side. This is all the stuff you guys miss off camera. How we argue and stuff like that.
We don't argue.
Well, you argue. I don't.
Oh.
Stop, girl. Put it on camera. All right, come on. Some seasoning on there. I don't need this anymore, right?
It's enough.
All right, y'all. There we go. We'll let this melt down in the smoker. See you in a minute. Just gonna go in and start stirring the shrimp up. The butter should be melted about now. Still a little bit in there. Nothing crazy. Just gonna get a little mix on. Like I said, I'm only running at 250. I want to get some smoke flavor in there. I'll probably take it up to 300 to finish it off. Maybe 350. We'll see. You can already see some of them are getting some color, especially on the tails. That's all we're going for. There's Rich's bitches, baby. I'm talking to y'all. Just want to make sure I get all these guys socked up in this butter. As you can see, I'm having no problem with smoke. Smoke is everywhere. But there you go. We're getting there. We're getting there. Check back soon. It's been about 7 more minutes. And here we go. Quite sure you guys can see the color change. Let me stir them up and I'll bring you in. I said I got you guys sitting on a tripod. And I'm going to tell you why. So on YouTube, you know, when I shoot videos for Twitter and Instagram and stuff like that, I always hold the phone normal. And I never, ever remember to hold the phone in landscape. And I suck. So, if I'm not holding the phone is actually in landscape. So, that's what we're doing. So, you guys can see that, hopefully. I'm not trying to do too much. Plus the fact the smoke is killing me. But, yeah, that's where we're at. A little bit more. I think I'm going to crank it up to 300 now. And we're going to finish these guys off so Tiff can have her shrimp. All right, there we go. I cranked the temp up to 300 degrees. We're actually right now sitting at 335, which is cool. Cool. Hope you guys can see inside here. Actually, I'm going to do y'all's side. Put some gloves on. Actually, let me start this thing up first. Let's see what we're working with. Looking really good. Like I said, I don't even eat seafood, but I do the smoked shrimp. I do dabble with every here and there. It's not that I don't eat it. I'm just not like, oh, I need seafood. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I sit with it. I'm going to put another glove on and pick it up so you guys can get a better shot. Check it out for yourselves. Y'all see that? Some good looking shrimp, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Bring you back.
Bye.